Sorry about that, I think I've just stopped recording by accident. So I just wanted to say again, it's not a failure if you need to rub things out and make changes. Remember that you will need to do that from time to time in your drawing. So I'll make sure that I'm going at a slightly more steep angle now, and it comes down there like this. And it comes over there like that. Then it's going to come all the way out to here. So if I just sketch on where that's going to come to, and you can start to see that I'm going to plan that next section out by marking out this point and then 1, 2, 3, 4 points on that line. So this point is there, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So this point gets a little bit thicker, and then we've got some little spikes, and then a little bit thicker, and again a little bit thicker. So always at the left hand side, a little bit thicker, and then it's got some little points on the end there as well. And then we're moving on to second last one. I'll give you a bit of time to do that one, and then I'll show you the next one. So the next one here is going to come from just above the last one, so round about here, okay, and it's going to, the first section is going to end up here, and the second section is going to end up here, okay. So if I just make sure that I'm sketching that one in there like that, and this one has one side that ends up like this, and then another side that ends up like this. Okay, and then there's a section on that leg that comes up to there, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 little sections on the end. So this one's the slightly bigger one, and it comes down there like this. And then we've got some other ones that get slightly bigger at the left hand side, like this, like that, like that, and then one on the end there with some small, much smaller points this time. Okay, and then the last one then, you've done really well. I'll show you how to do this, but just you try and give that one a little go and see how you get on. Okay, I'd forgotten to rub a couple of my guidelines out, so I'm just going to do that very quickly as well. And then what I'm going to do is draw that top one on. So this is the last one. You've done really well, and this is going to come from all the way up here. Oh, actually I need to do that little one as well, but that's a small one. This is going to come from here and then go all the way up here like so, and then we've got a curve that comes all the way down like this for the other shape, and it's a little bit spiky. Okay, and this one here is a little bit thicker to that point, and this is the antenna of the beetle, and there are lots of little points that get slightly bigger as we go up the antenna, so a little bit like that. So I hope you found the demonstration useful, like so. And there's just one last little line that we need to put on that comes all the way up like that. So now if you want, you can go over it in pen and just thicken it up, or even just do that in pencil so that we've got a little bit more detail. You could put these little circles on there as well. Like that. We could put these veins coming down here like this, and this comes over here like this. So, starting to look a little bit more like a beetle. Okay, excellent work, Year 8. And I look forward to seeing your work in lesson when you bring it back. Fantastic.